Look at these beauties. I don't even know what that is. I think Josh said it's a Lexus. I'm not even sure. They're gorgeous though. Look at them.
It's got a Lexus.
Oh, see, this is why he's selling me the fenders, because he's got perfect OEM ones. I'd rather show Josh the car than put something in it to commemorate him. So I'm gonna clear coat this in and it'll be here forever. Alright, so I got the fenders, the bumpers, the front fenders, the hatch all painted, but it looks good over here, right? But this is Florida, so Doesn't look like I'm gonna be painting for a few hours. Yeah. Florida is ridiculous sometimes. Man, if it's not the weather, it's gotta be something else, man. This state is beautiful. Alright, it's dark, but there we go. Everything's painted. Honestly, I think the bumpers probably turned out better than anything. So, got the bumper all on the brace. About to go put this on. So I couldn't resist. What you guys think? Pretty icy, huh? Got to hook up the harnesses, put all my fuses in, hook the fuse box harness up to the ignition, see if I can get power running through this thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still kind of going through it. I don't know, I've never built a car before, so seeing it where it's at now is kind of like, can't believe it's my car. Can't believe I built this. I don't know. Just it's kind of all hitting now. It's pretty exciting. These are OEM fenders. The driver's side's really beat up, the passenger side's perfect. I have my fenders in here for the front that I painted yesterday, but the fitment on them is super whack. I think I'm just gonna sell them and find me a driver's side OEM fender and just run OEM because it looks better, it fits perfect. Yeah, I'd rather do that anyways. So yeah, just to get a general idea. Looking nasty. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video. My wire harness is in the mail. Says the label's been created, but it hasn't updated in like almost 3 days. I'm hoping by tomorrow at some point I'll have an update on where it is. But yeah, until then I just gotta tie up all the loose odds and ends and get it ready to start. So I'm gonna keep on working on that and get us a little bit closer. But yeah, man, I'm stoked. Look at that.